Hi, this is Tom Jogich with XsunX again, and I'm here at the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Garden Grove, California, where we just installed an 85 kilowatt solar carport system. And what I'd like to discuss a little bit is sizing. Earlier in one of the videos regarding this project, I talked about how we look at the client's 12-month historical electrical usage. We look at how they use electricity every 15 minutes across every day for 365 days, and then how we model different technologies around that usage to see how we can deliver the best bang for the buck, the most savings for the least amount of money. And in doing that, one of the things we do is with the solar, the way we size the solar is we try to use the utility's time of use rates to the client's benefit. And I'll explain what that means. Most customers now, if you're not paying as a residential customer time of use, you will soon, and all businesses pay time of use. And what that means is you pay different amounts for every kilowatt hour at different times of the day. Peak time of day, you pay a higher price than you do off-peak. And so what happens is the utilities have net energy metering agreements that you sign with them that gives you credits when you overproduce electricity in your solar system. Okay, those credits you get at par value for what you would have had to pay for electricity. So let's say you would have paid 20 cents for the electricity that particular time of day. Now you've just sent it to the utility. You've overproduced a kilowatt hour of power. You send it to the utility. You get a 20-cent credit for that. You get a full retail credit. Now, since during the day the solar system is designed to handle the majority of the use, usually more than what you're using, you're typically overproducing, you're not really going to be buying much electricity at those peak rates. So you're going to be building lots of credits. You're going to be using those credits to buy back cheaper electricity that may be 17, 15, even 5, 6 cents a kilowatt hour in the off hours, in the non-peak times. So now you use this 20-cent credit to buy back, let's say, a 10-cent per kilowatt hour power. That essentially would equate to about 2 kilowatt hours of power purchase capability with that credit. So because of that, we now go ahead and reduce the size of the solar system a little bit to compensate for that. And let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say the customer used 100,000 kilowatt hours of power in the previous 12 months. Well, because the client's going to be earning those valuable daytime credits, all right, that are in many instances worth as much as twice what the non-peak rates are, we can size the system down usually somewhere between about 75 to 80% of what they actually need. So instead of 100,000 kilowatt production, we can get away with maybe 70, 75, or 80,000 kilowatt hours of production. So we're able to reduce the size of the system that we designed for the client and install, and still provide them with a maximum dollar return on the investment, because we leverage those time of use rates and those valuable credits the client's going to be earning during the middle of the day to the client's benefit, reduce the size of the system. And that's how it works.